Hi class, it's Nicole Tafaro, your instructor for Marketing 345 Consumer Behavior. Couple of short notes on how to best succeed with this class. Number one, always ask questions, whether it's about an element that we are covering, a section of the rubric you might not understand, or even feedback. If you have a question, there's a good chance someone else does as well. So either post it in the general discussion board, or if you feel more secure, just send me an email. I am known for getting back to my students really quickly, so if you do send me an email, good chance within an hour you're going to have a response. The school requires that we respond within 24 hours. I can't remember a time when it ever took me that long, but you will always get a prompt response. Number two, I suggest forwarding your email and the class to your smartphone. There will be an announcement on how to do this, but if you're not going to forward it, please check your email daily. We're on day 2, and already I have sent a couple of emails to students about not being able to open their blogs. They haven't resubmitted them, which tells me they haven't checked their email yet. But that's okay, because we still have till Sunday to do that. But I do request that you check your email every day. I send out emails, announcements, all kinds of important information to help you succeed. And the only way you're going to get this information is if you're reading it. So along with email, announcements, every time you log into the classroom, please check the announcements that you missed. If you're forwarding the class to your smartphone, they will come through. If you are not, you need to check the announcements. As we go through the assignments each week, I will be giving you helpful hints. I will be breaking down the announcements into what is expected per the rubric. If you read those announcements, it is going to simplify your life. I promise. Okay, number 3. Is that number 3? I think we're at number 3. Blogs. When you submit a blog, make sure you are using the share link. Otherwise, I cannot open it, I cannot read it, I cannot grade it. So you will have an ability to share the blog, and under that you will see share link. Make sure you're using the share link and posting it to the classroom. If I can't open it, I will email you. If you're not reading your email, you won't know I couldn't open it. You see where this is going? Okay. What else can I tell you? The class is built on a couple of different milestones. The feedback that I give you will be very specific. The reason it's so specific is because those milestones build up to your final assignment. So you might want to take that feedback and make some changes as soon as you get it while it's fresh in your mind. Nobody wants to wait until week 8 to go back to week 3 and start changing around the slides that they did to reuse them for the final. It will save you time and a lot of stress if you apply that feedback as soon as you get it and make the changes. It's going to make your life so much easier when we get to the last week and you have to turn in a 21-slide PowerPoint final presentation. Sounds scary, right? It's not. I promise you that this class looks really overwhelming from the get-go. Have you looked at the rubric for the final assignment? It sounds really tough, but it isn't. As we unfold module after module, this will click. It will all make sense. It will all flow together. And because you have 3 milestones before you get to that final, 75% of the final will be done before you even get to week 8. But that is contingent that you make any corrections on anything you got wrong. So again, check your email, read your feedback, check the announcements, and make those changes as you go if you want to save yourself a lot of headaches in week 8. I think that's about it. What else do you want to know? I live in New Jersey. I live halfway between New York City and Philadelphia, which is my hometown. My full-time job is working in healthcare marketing and business development. And I think it's important that you understand that I too did my entire higher education while working full-time with a husband and children. What that means to you is I understand competing priorities. I understand how much pressure you're under to complete this degree while taking care of yourself, maybe a family, maybe a job. So if you want to talk about it, or if you need some extra support, please email me. Anything you email me in confidence stays between the two of us. I'm happy to schedule a phone call with you so we can talk. Maybe I have some suggestions for you. Maybe you just need to vent. Just know I'm here for you. There's a lot going on in the world right now. Not all of it is good. Some of it is overwhelming. I'm dealing with it too. So if you want to share, if you just think there's something I need to know, or if you feel that maybe you need a little extra support, send me that email. We will get through this class together. It will be successful. It will be fun. Consumer behavior is a really interesting topic, whether you're in sales, whether you're in customer service, whether you're an electrician who deals with clients. Understanding why people make the decisions they make and how they spend their money and what can turn their decision into a decision that benefits you. That's the kind of neat stuff we're going to cover this semester. So please, read your email, read your announcements, read your feedback. Stay in touch with me if there's anything you want to talk about or any issues. And let's make it a great semester. I'm looking forward to getting to know each and every one of you. Thanks. Let's have a great semester.